Okay, guys. Today we're in Kart Ride to Japan. Oh, this is so fun. This is favorite game. It's Japan.
My favorite berry girl.
Yeah, let's go, Lindsay.
I'm here.
Member card. Wait, I wanna go here.
And then here.
Wait, no, I'm already a member. Lindsay, come to me. I'm gonna spawn you on a member card. 3, 2, 1. Quick! Ay, Alana. Okay, try again. 3, 2, 1. There's Hopin. No!
Again.
Oh, go. Bruh. Okay, there. Nice, let's go. Wait. Oh, no.
How can we ride?
They stuck it. Oh, I can fly. I can fly. Finally, let's go to Japan. We can go to Japan. Yay, we're in such a
Okay.
What the heck? I love this glitch anyway.
I read this.
Wait, what? What happened? Hey, we're going to Japan. Yay, Japan mouth.
Oh my. No.
What the hell? Wait, what happened? Wait,
I bring the whole.
wait. Oh no.
Oh,
Where are you?
I'm here. I'm gonna find you. I'm lost.
Looks like I'm alone. Looks like I'm alone.
Yes. I just clicked the leave. Oh.
We cannot leave. Oh my god. We cannot leave, Lindsay. Oh my god.
I need to restart my account.
Wait, no, Lindsay. Let's just go to the cart. Wait, yes.
Or you.
Can you see the cart? There. The cart is. Oh my god. This will be our short video, I guess. Birdie, are you scared too? He said yes. Oh my god, this is so creepy. Okay, all the way in 3, 2, 1. Full speed ahead. Oh, never mind. Wait, what's that at the distance? Feel like I see something.
It's broken.
Um. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Ugly faces! No! 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 No!
Help me, please.
Lana!
Did you come back?
Wait, no. I get No! I get crucified! I'm not Jesus!
I'm nobody.
I'm not Jesus! What the hell? What is it? My god, what happened? I lagged so hard. Lindsay, why did you even play this game at the first place? Lindsay, this is why you should never shop these games. Now they crucified me.